Hello, in this opportunity, my partners and I are going to give an explanation of how to avoid plagiarism. We will be presenting about our plagiarism workshop and note-taking of the main ideas on how to prevent plagiarism. So we have 6 different main ideas in which I am going to talk about 2, and my colleagues are going to talk about the rest of them. So my first point is use of quotation and citation. Follow a specific format, that is APA. When you use an idea of someone else, you need to give credit to the author. Uh, when you use exact information, you use quotation, and also in-text citation in parentheses. A second point, we have best practices. As best practices, you need to use quotations, make evidence of from where you found the information. If it's from someone else's opinion, you need to cite it. You need to make an index citation and also cite it as a bibliography. If you're not able to express the information in your own words, you also need to cite it and put it in quotations. But if you can if you read a paragraph and you use that idea but with your own words, you only need to cite it at the end. Uh, Now my partner Shahid is going to talk about 3 main ideas that are rewriting passages, paraphrase, and APA citation. That these are other main ideas of our workshop and our note taking. Thank you.
As my colleague Jorge Cruz said, today I will be talking about 3 main points about plagiarism. First of all, I will start with rewriting passages. What is rewriting passages? Rewriting passages is reading the original text in order to take notes and understand the main idea. Therefore, we write our own piece of information based on the main idea and on the notes we took, and therefore we paraphrase. So that takes us to our second point. What is paraphrase? Paraphrase is using our own words to write the piece of information while keeping in mind the main idea. The main idea, and sometimes if we need to, we use quotations in order to write the exact same words as of the author, and we also need to give credit to the author. And lastly, in paraphrase, we need to reread in order to notice or to avoid writing the exact information as the author, because this is considered plagiarism. And lastly, that takes us to my final point, APA citation. In APA citation, as it is known worldwide, it is a format used to give credit to the author. And while giving credit to the author, it is very important to cite, because if we don't cite, that is plagiarism. And as you know, plagiarism is a crime. Thank you. And now my colleague María José Espinal will give more main points about the plagiarism workshop. Thank you.
Hello. As my friend Shahid said, I will be talking about 2 main points. First, common knowledge. Common knowledge is information that most of the audience is familiar with. This information does not need to be cited. An example could be, the Earth has 7 continents. On the other hand, we have factual information. This is information that contains specific data. For instance, this must be cited. An example could be, according to James Wharton's opinion, after World War I, Picasso reverted to traditional styles. It is important to keep in mind that opinions and interpretation must be cited. As the second point, we have self-plagiarism. that refers to a previously written paper. If you have a previously written paper that could be used to an assignment given in a new class, the best thing to do is ask your teacher if he or she allows you to use the same paper again. As you can see, there are a series of ways to avoid plagiarism. Making use of these tips will benefit your writing by citing and making use of the correct format. As we know, plagiarism it is considered a crime, so therefore we should be aware of the importance of following these main points given on the plagiarism workshop. Thank you.